Okay, so to record effects on a submaster or cue, it's the same exact thing. So you want to hit either sub if you're looking at your subs, or the cue button to look at your cues. We're going to do this on a sub. So what you want to do is first have something up, just any light you want, and then record submaster. I'm going to use 15, enter, and then you just want to release everything. So now 15 is whatever I have on the screen, and then you want to go ahead to sub 15 and make it type.
You gotta
right click and then type effect and then hit OK, and then it'll pop up to this. This is just what you're going to add. So you want to turn on one light, and then you will hit this button up here. This is next new scene, and then you want to hit record so it saves that, and then you want to turn off the light you just added, then add another light, and then do the same thing, new scene, and record, and then another. It goes up to 20 cue steps max, and you can have as little or as many as you want, up until 20. Okay, and then when you do that, you can click on this, edit timing. This will bring up a menu for things you can do. Normal just goes through steps each time. Alternate, it will actually go from, it'll start at like positive and negative right here. It says it's kind of like that, but I don't know exactly. But we're gonna just use build, and then bounce and reverse. Reverse will start from the last step and go to the first, and so on. It just does everything in reverse. Bounce will start at the first one, go to the last, and start at the last and go to the first. And then just hit OK, and then when you use that submaster, it will work the way you want it to. So it's starting with this one, going to the middle, going to the other one, and then it'll go backwards because that's bounce. And build keeps the lights on.
So how do you change the timing?
Okay, so timing, if you want to keep one light, so this thing's step time.
What did you do to get here?
Okay, so you want to go to whatever submaster you have steps on, right click on a step, and then edit timing. This will say step time. Step time means whatever step you're on, it'll wait 3 seconds for the next step to start. So I'm going to put it at 5 seconds so it's visually noticeable. It would just go from one step to the next step to the next step. Now after this, it'll go to step 1, wait 5 seconds, then go to step 2. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it'll go into the middle, and then to the last one. Now it'll wait 5 seconds because it hit that last one again. And then it'll go.
And you can make each step a different timing if you wanted.
Yes.